Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have a mystery box from Pink and Maine that we are going to be unboxing. But before we get into that, I just want to let you know that the Etsy shop is open. You can pick up, I still have a few of the flamingo cards left. You can get the flamingo stickers. I've got pride cards. We've got mystery bundles available. So all of that will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you in advance if you get an opportunity to pick something up. And if you can't support financially, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Okay, I believe this was like $35. It was supposed to be $150 worth of product. Let's look. Let's see. Let me make sure there's no, I don't see a bag. I know that they've started doing a lot of branded, like they have their own mink. I believe they've come out with inks, etc. So a lot of companies are doing these bags, and they have one as well with their signature pink color. So that's nice. All right. Oh, we have a lot. So let's do stamps and ephemera, some dies. Ooh, foilables. That sounds fun. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, I see Christmas. 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 Okay. Guys, stencil. I think these have grenade dies, do they? Doesn't look like it. Right, let's start with the kind of ephemera. We got some sequins here, really pretty mix. It's like a little bit of like a fall mix. I really like it. Got some hearts. These are glossy gold hearts. Those are fun. Looks like we've got some ephemera from a kit. I know they do like stamp of the month. I know sometimes they do monthly other things too. I don't know. I don't really pay much attention. I can't do subscriptions, mystery subscriptions anymore. I want to know what I'm getting. I only did this because they really don't have anything on their website that I wouldn't want. I was burned by the one from Simon Says Stamp. I will never do that again. I'll just donate to the charity directly. Oh, fun. I think this must be from one of their card kits. You just put it together. This is kind of what I'm hoping to create. If I do one where you just assemble something similar to this. Cute, cute, cute. Little friends. Got some little friends. We got two stencils. This one is cracked stencil. I will probably put this one in a giveaway because I have one from Stamp Anything that's almost identical. And then this one looks like retro squares. There's no name. So I'll have to look on the website to see what that is. So yeah, this will go in a giveaway. These are foilable. Oh, here's some tags and stuff. These were going to giveaway too. You guys know I don't really mess around with tags. So pre-designed toner sheets. There's 6 sheets. Are they the same design? They're all the same? Yeah. So you get 6 of these, and they are toners. So if you have a laminator, all you have to do is put foil on it and send it through the laminator. These are going to be really fun. I'm excited about those for sure. We've got, I can't read what that says. I cannot read what that says. Holy Moses. Oh, there are many cards. All of me loves all of you. I love that song. All of me loves all of you. Oh, my end and my beginning. And this says, don't stumble over something behind you. I like that quote. It's really cute. So those will be fun. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's look at the paper. We have Enchanted Garden, 6x6. You get 24 sheets. Oh, and we've got Christmas. We've got Christmas. You may or may not know that I've already started planning the 2023 holiday card series. And if you're new to me, I start my holiday card series the Wednesday after Labor Day. I've done that now for probably 8 years. We have lots of holiday cards on the channel. It's my favorite. Come on now. Fingers, let's go. Ooh, I love these colors. These are fun and vibrant. You guys know I love purple. You know I do. And plaid. These are fun. So far, so good, y'all. I'm not the least bit disappointed in what we've got so far. Be merry. They have really cute stamps. I just can't buy them all. You know what I mean? Like, I can't buy everything. And now I have my, like, all of my extra money is going into the kits. I've already started working on the first kit that will be released, and I'm going to guess it'll probably be 1st of August. All right, let's look at the stamps. We've got Autumn Greetings, which will go into the giveaway. We've got Thanks Friend. Oh, that's a pumpkin. That's cute. That'll go into the giveaway. We've got, what is this one called? Hello Beautiful. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the one. Look at the one holding the pumpkin. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. I don't know if I'll keep this or not. I don't do Halloween cards because they don't sell. We've got a Mother's Day. I like that floral. And then we've got a Father's Day. Then we got some dies. This says happy holidays. Happy holidays. And this one says happy. Do I have happy? I think I have happy. This may end up in the video, in a giveaway too. I think I have happy. I'll have to look because I know I do. Ooh, this is nice and big. And it comes with its, are these coordinating? Holy crap, they are. This is Floral Heart Dies in the stamp set. You've got 2 really nice florals, and you got, remember, I'm here for you always. I appreciate your kindness more than you'll ever know. Your friendship is like a breath of fresh air. Congratulations on your accomplishment. I think of you often and wish you were near. Sending good thoughts and wishing you well. And I think this says for you. So you got a label, you get the 2 hearts, and then you get a for you. That's actually really, really nice. Yeah, I like that. Then we've got some dies. This is beaded curtain die. That's interesting. And then we have all occasions die. I don't understand. This will probably go in a giveaway. And then last but not least, we have good vibes die. So it says feel the good, see the good. And you get a circle, scallop circle, and then you get this kind of label. Yeah, so that is it for the mystery box. It was supposed to be $150 value. I do remember that. I think it was $35, $10 to ship. So right around 50 bucks for all of this. And honestly, I am super duper happy with this. You guys know I was so disappointed in the one from Salmon Sis Stamp, and I was okay with the one from Lawn Fawn because I love Lawn Fawn too. But yeah, I mean, this is a lot. This is a lot. All right, friends, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Leave me a comment letting me know what your favorite thing was I got. I'm not going to announce a giveaway just yet. Once we get back up to the next, what's it called? Milestone? Let me see where we're at. We're at 13,755. So when we get to 13,800, I will do a giveaway. So be sure to share. And yeah, so again, don't forget to check out the Etsy shop. It's linked down below. And let me know what you want to see me use first. I'm excited. Woot woot. All right, friends, that's it. Bye for now.